Good morning WRCC fans, and we've got another special video today. It's another non-Morris Minor, and what an absolute stunner this is. Really, I don't think the video or the pictures will do this car justice. How clean it is, how nice the bodywork is, how good the paint job is. It's absolutely superb. It's definitely one of those cars that I want to keep for me, but I don't think it's very practical to use day to day, to be honest with you. But what an absolute stormer this car is. So it is, as you can all see, 1958 MGA. Obviously MGAs were built between 1955 and 1962, the forerunner to the MGB. This one is a 1500 twin carb, twin SUs, leather interior, finished in chariot red. Absolutely lovely colour. I mean, red MGs are the best colour. Well, red is the best colour for MGs. Red MGs are one of my favourite cars. This red MG is my favourite car, I think, today anyway. I get to see a lot of cars, but what an absolute beauty this is. 6 previous keepers on the logbook. As I said, this one's a 1958. It's an older restoration, but not that long ago, to be fair. It's still in absolutely superb, and I mean superb condition. As you know me, guys, and you listen to my videos very often, I'd never describe anything as perfect, and I know that there's 2 little tiny faults with this, which you wouldn't notice. One of them, the screen is delaminating a bit there that you can't even see on the video, but that's one of them, and the other is the back windscreen rubber's just not the best. Other than that, I cannot pick fault in this car. I'd never describe anything as perfect, but this is goddamn near it, to be honest with you. And I'll say, I've had a few comments before on the video saying, or a few people have rung up and said you like to use the word clean a lot, and this car, this MG, is absolutely clean as a whistle. So chariot red MGA 1958, chrome wires. As you can see, chrome wires are in perfect order. The paintwork must have cost thousands. It's a show winning car. There's a box of trophies in the boot, which you'll see when I get to the boot. There's a history file in the boot as well. So chariot red, black leather interior, seats look as new, so they've obviously been done very recently as well. Carpets are as new. Dashboard, the vinyl's not lifted or delaminated or anything, so that's all in good order. Your Philips stereos there looking in sparkling order. The bezels are all good. The steering wheel's all in good condition. It's an absolute belter to drive. I'll let you have a look at the door apertures. So the door apertures there are all perfect. Door cards are all perfect. I'll let you have a look at the headlining as well. So the headline is perfect. It runs really nicely. It's showing it's 74,400 miles. I don't know if you can see that. I'll start her up for you. So maybe try to turn the ignition on first. That'll work. So it runs like a sewing machine, as you'd expect a car of this quality to do. Pull the bonnet. So the chrome work is all in absolutely great condition. Struggling doing this one-handed, but never mind. There we go. So the chrome work's all good. The engine bay is nice and clean. I say twin SU carbs. The engine runs like a dream. Nice and clean under here. Sort of just as good as you'd expect it to be, really. As you can see, the shine on the top of the wings there and the shine on the chrome, just everything about it is just absolutely fantastic, to be honest with you. We'll get round here and we'll have a look in the boot. As I said, the boot's nice and clean. The shine on the paint is absolutely great. And we'll open the boot up so you've got the pull for the boot. Wait a minute, you can have a look at the shine on the roof while I sort the boot out. So the boot aperture, the boot's all in good order. Boot aperture's all nice and clean. I mean, look at the paintwork there. I would suggest, if you are looking for an MGA, and the last owner told me this, he traded this in against the Morris Minor with us. If you are looking for an MGA, he searched high and low, up and down Britain, and he could not find one as good as this. And when he found this car, he was like, well, I'm having it, because it's an absolute belter. And he looked at a lot of them. So there is your box of trophies. Hopefully if you buy it, you can take it and win some more with it, because as I said, it is show condition, certainly good local show condition. And then we've got the box of history there, so your documents and all the receipts for the car, which is always nice to have, that bit of provenance. Go back round and do the final recap. So 1958 MGA 1500, 6 owners, in Chariot Red at West Riding Classic Cars, the best classic car company in the world, in my humble opinion. If you'd like further details on the car, give us a call on 01422 881221. Send us an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk. We're going to drop this one on Facebook and Instagram today, and it will be on our website. It's on at 29,950, which I think is a bargain for this car. I'd give more for it personally. We will accept classic cars and motorbikes as part exchange. When you give us a call or email, ask to speak to Dan in sales, that's me, and then get in your car, drive up to Halifax and have a look at it and bring some cash with you, because I can guarantee you'll want to buy it when you see it. Thanks guys.